Probably the most controversial part of chiropractic is our most fundamental principle, which is a very new idea, that there is only one cause of all disease. Now, when someone first hears that, they think, you're out of your mind. A virus causes the flu, strep bacteria cause strep throat, stress and diet cause heart disease and heart attack, certain stressors and toxins cause cancer. And on a certain level, that's all true, of course. When we say that there's one cause of all disease, we're not saying that all diseases have a single immediate cause, but that they have a single principal cause, which is disease. And there's a difference. Chiropractors say that disease is the body's inability to understand itself or its environment. Now, this is a whole new concept. You can't confuse disease with diseases. Diseases are the things with names, all these itises and osises and syndromes and conditions. It's only once the body is in a state of dis-ease, a state of confusion about itself, that all these named diseases can develop. So think about it. It's estimated that there are somewhere between 10 and 20,000 cancer cells in your body right now at any given time, all the time. So why don't you have cancer? And the answer is because your body understands what's happening and destroys those cells before they can replicate and multiply and become a malignancy. And it's only once your body's in a state of dis-ease that those cells are allowed to live and to flourish and multiply, becoming a malignancy. Same with something like strep throat. You have thousands of strep bacteria in your throat all the time. They're supposed to be there. They help your body. It's only when your body doesn't understand itself that those tissues in your throat become sick, become diseased, and that strep can then become an infection. So your body understands itself and its environment. Once it stops understanding itself, then and only then does your body start to develop diseases, these named conditions. It doesn't matter if it's an infection, a malignancy, a genetic disease, a chronic injury, all of them begin and all of them fail to resolve when your body stops understanding itself and its environment, when it's not in a state of ease. So if there's only one cause of all disease, you might logically conclude that there must only be one cure to all disease. And so you can see how this starts to get controversial pretty quickly, especially with our current medical model and medical way of thinking, of diagnosing all these individual diseases and trying to treat them. So we'll talk a little bit about the one specific situation that causes all disease and what can be done about it in another video coming up. So until then, check on our website, woodchiropractic.org, and as always, stop on by. We'd love to see you.